Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our exciting reviews and unboxings in the future. Today, we've got something really cool to share with you, the M2 Pro 1080p wireless TV stick Wi-Fi display dongle. This little device is an absolute game-changer for your home entertainment setup. Let's start off by talking about the technical specifications of this TV stick. It's equipped with a quad-core ARM Cortex-A53 processor and supports 4K resolution, ensuring smooth and seamless streaming of your favorite shows and movies. The TV stick also supports a wide range of audio and video formats, making it compatible with almost any content you throw at it. Plus, with a transmission distance of up to 50 meters, you'll have the freedom to move around without worrying about losing connectivity. But that's not all. The M2 Pro also comes with an internal antenna and supports IR control, making it incredibly user-friendly and convenient to use. And guess what? It's powered by Android OS, so you'll have access to a whole world of apps and content right at your fingertips. In addition to the technical specs, the M2 Pro also boasts a sleek and compact design, making it a stylish addition to any home entertainment setup. And with features like wireless screen mirroring, online video streaming, and support for multiple devices, this TV stick is truly versatile. So, whether you're looking to stream your favorite videos, play games, or simply enjoy a cinematic viewing experience, the M2 Pro 1080p wireless TV stick Wi-Fi display dongle has got you covered. Plus, it comes with a handy remote control for easy navigation and a user manual to help you get started right out of the box. If all this sounds too good to be true, I promise you it's not. And the best part is, you can get your hands on the M2 Pro TV stick right now by clicking the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this amazing product that's revolutionizing the way we experience home entertainment. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy streaming!